Hello everybody, I'm Frank. For the wigs, all this transparent lace, natural black hair. In the next few days, the stock of closure and frontal will be less and less, all because all these jobs, not the hair on the lace, ventilate job are finished in North Korea. Because of coronavirus, North Korea blocked their borders, so we can't send the hair to North Korea and no products back to China. That's why the stock will be less and less. Now already some suppliers rise the price of closure, frontal and lace wigs. Also, there's limited. You can't buy the long closure or frontal individually. 16 inches or 18 inches, the quantity is limited. You have to buy some short, like 14, 12, and 10 inches together. Because everybody like long hair, so who buy the short? It will be great pressure for a factory if short hair is stock. That's why you can't buy long hair individually. The wholesale orders, you have to mix long and short hair together. Transparent lace closure 4x4, pre-plucked, natural hairline, natural black hair, silky, soft. Custom lace frontal and closure available. It takes 3 to 4 days for the curly. Transparent lace, pre-plucked the forehead part, natural hairline. You see? Until pandemic over, North Korea opened their borders. The stock of closure, frontal and full lace front wig will be less and less in the next few days in China. You can't buy much, all because coronavirus.